Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Acetylcholine. Acetylcholine is a short-acting drug. It acts for the half-life of acetylcholine is 10 to 20 seconds. It is metabolized by acetylcholine esterase, that is of two types, which is true acetylcholine esterase or pseudo acetylcholine esterase. Acetylcholine is metabolized by both true and pseudo acetylcholine esterase. Uses of acetylcholine are it is available in ophthalmological surgical aid for rapid production of meiosis.
thank you and thank you for watching.